Hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Edentophagia. Today I'm going to talk about something which you use for your oral hygiene daily, yet something which is so unknown to people about how to use it, why it's to be used in a certain way, and why it's harmful if you use it in a regular way which has been advertised all over the television for years. Today we are going to talk about toothpastes, how much of toothpaste you should use on a daily basis, why should you use that much of toothpaste, and why using more, as it's shown in the commercials which I'm showing you now, it's harmful to your teeth. Toothpastes are basically water and abrasives with and along with it are some of the components like fluoride which act as anti-cavity agents. Now any of this other than water, all of these are chemicals. Do you want to use extra toothpaste and take that chemicals inside? Most of the time when you use your toothpaste and you brush and you do not brush it properly, you have seen that a chunk of toothpaste usually comes out when you spit it out on your basin. So what can be done about it? How to use toothpaste in a correct way so that you are not taking inside the harmful chemicals, you are optimally using the toothpaste you are applying on your toothbrush, and it gives you the best result. I'm not going into the nitty-gritties of what are the compositions of toothpaste because it's not important to you, but you should know that toothpastes are made up of chemicals, and if you want, in any toothpaste you will find the list of ingredients here which will tell you that these are made up of all chemicals. I'm not saying that these chemicals are very harmful, but this is something which you use twice a day, every day. You don't want slowly to ingest a little bit of chemicals every day. After all, these are synthetic things and we don't want it inside the body. So just for an example, I'm taking a normal Colgate Strong Teeth toothpaste and a normal Sensodyne toothbrush which I'm using these days because I have a third molar issue happening and I'm yet to visit my oral surgeon. But I'm gonna demonstrate using this toothbrush and toothpaste, as in how much of toothbrush and toothpaste you should apply for an adult. For an adult, the actual size which is recommended is a pea-sized amount of toothpaste spread evenly over the toothbrush. Let's see how that is done. This is the pea-sized amount of toothpaste you should be taking. Now do not take it directly inside and start brushing because this blob will settle somewhere around the mouth. So what we need to do is use your finger and spread it evenly on the surface of toothbrush like so. Now when this happens, the toothpaste will not get any blobbed anywhere and it will stick around the bristles of the toothbrush nicely, and it will help in using the toothpaste in all the corners of your mouth when you're using. So for an adult, we need to use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste and spread it evenly around the bristles of the toothbrush like so, and then use it in your mouth. Now coming to children, do you think children also need the same amount of toothpaste as much as the adults do? Absolutely no. Here I'm going to demonstrate using an old brush of my daughter because she didn't give me her new brush which she is using, but I'm going to exactly tell you that how much of toothpaste should be used for a child so that they do not ingest inside any of the chemicals. Especially with our children, we do not want them to take in anything. The toothpaste which I'm using for my daughter is this Cheerio gel. It's a fluoridated toothpaste. This has 450 ppm of fluoride which I use for her, and this is a bamboo brush which I use for her. For babies also, the toothpastes are made up of water, abrasive, and certain anti-cavity agents. Basically, anti-cavity agents are fluorides. Fluorides make the teeth stronger. I'll make a separate video on why fluorides are important and why those are used in toothpastes. But today we'll stick to this topic of how much toothpaste should be applied on a. I will strictly say that if your child does not have cavities, do not use a fluoridated toothpaste till they spit nicely. We don't want fluoride to go inside because fluoride is an element which is needed in very minute quantity in the body. We also get fluoride through water. We do not want our children to ingest an extra amount of fluoride through the toothpaste. So till the time they are able to spit properly, which is around 3.5 years of age, you can use a non-fluoridated toothpaste or use a fluoridated toothpaste only under the guidance of your pediatric dentist. Now for a child, till the time they are 5 to 6 years of age, or till the time they are very good with their brushings and with their motor skills as in the skills with which they brush and everything, you have to use the paste. So from the time you start using the brush and a toothpaste, from the time you're using a brush and toothpaste for your child, the amount of toothpaste which you have to use is of the size of a rice grain. So you have to use the toothpaste of the size of a rice grain and spread it evenly on the surface of toothbrush and then brush your child. So I'll demonstrate it. How do you do that? So you see that it's coming, and I'm gonna, this much is the toothpaste which has already been a little spread of the size of a rice grain. Do you see how less it is? And now I'm gonna spread it with my finger. This much is the amount of toothpaste you have to use with your child. It should be of the size of a rice grain, spread evenly on the toothbrush so that it is spread across the bristles. So whenever you brush their teeth, the toothpaste is completely spread across the mouth and the teeth can make full use of the toothpaste, as well as there is no blob which they can ingest. Plus, if there's any excess, it goes inside the bristles and you can wash it off and it's not going inside their mouth. I hope this made it clear that you do not have to use toothpaste like this. Arlen. No, do not do that. And please spread this message to your friends and family so that they know that this usage of toothpaste is totally wrong. You do not need to use so much of toothpaste in your toothbrushes. You do not, nobody, not even us as adults. And keep spreading the love. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like the content, and share it with your friends and family. And please press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And keep smiling. Take care of your teeth. I'll see you next time. Bye.